How to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Firstly, go to Play Store on your device. Now, at the bottom right corner, tap on the search and search for Uber Eats. Make sure that you have updated the application. If there is an update button, tap on update to update your app. You can tap on open button and open the application where you have to first log in or sign in. At the bottom, you will get the account option. Tap on account and other pages. You have to select the promotion in order to enter your promo code. Tap on the space at top of the screen and paste the promo code that you have copied. When you tap claim promo option, your promo code should be applied. Sometimes, if it is not being applied, then you can do couple of things. The issue might be with promo code itself. So you want to test other promo code if you are getting the same kind of issue for other promo codes as well. Getting the same kind of issue for other promo codes as well, then go to the app info page of Uber Eats. For that, land on the home page and go to the settings. Scroll down and select the apps option. Tap app management and search for Uber Eats with the help of the search icon or the search bar at top of the screen. You can manually scroll as well. On this app info page, scroll down, tap storage uses, tap clear cache, and tap clear data. Now tap delete. So this app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Once you have done that, restart your device and your Uber Eats promo code not applied issue will be fixed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.